to May's Technique class using the Butterfly Basic stamp set, and in this video we're making this pretty colour card with 3 different colour butterflies using a blue hue, and they've got a bit of dimension, but they also fold fairly flat for posting, and that's what the inside looks like. So you will receive your card pack, and just take the contents out of the little sleeve, and we need a bit of white that goes on the front here like so. I just need to mount up my butterfly, so we're using this lovely rounded butterfly and matching die for this card. And where's my clip block? Here it is. I'm also going to grab the sentiment, the happy birthday. It's got some great sentiments in this set, so sending wishes your way and happy birthday, good generic general stamps. I'm going to move that onto the smaller block, which are great. So if I line that up, if I position that on my grid paper, this is a tricky one to line up, but I'm going to get the happy straight. Then it would help if I had it facing the right direction. If I get my happy straight and then press my clear block down, actually my stamp should be straight. Should be. So where did my bit of white go? Hello. Am I going mad? Okay. Another piece of white. Not the right size. Seriously, where did my white just go? Oh, there it is. Stuck to my clear block. I was going mad for a minute there. Oh, crikey. I am. So that's going to go on there like that. That one's going to go on there like that. So one's for the outside, one's for the inside. This is Hello Honey cardstock, and we're using Hello Honey ink. So what we're going to do first of all is, for the front piece, we're going to stamp our sentiment happy birthday in the centre at the bottom of the card. This will let us know how much space we've got to do the little honeycomb on the card. So if I just get this stamped on the bottom, that is now going to allow me to know where to space the honeycomb stamp on the leftover white card. So let's pop that one on there. Get the Hello Honey ink, and now I'm going to stamp the bottom one, even gap right or left, and then I'm going to stamp the top one, trying to make it lined up and near the top. Oh, that's not really lined up, but... and then we can do the middle one. That's good enough. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get our butterfly, and you've got a scrap of card, that's what that other piece was for, and you're going to stamp it in 3 different colours. I'm using Pool Party, Island Indigo and Bermuda Bay. So let's start with the lightest first. Pool Party. Now while I'm here, do you remember the inside had that butterfly on it? So I'm going to do that while I'm here. And then I'm going to clean it off. But by doing the lightest colour first means I shouldn't have any transfer of the inks. I've cleaned them, I know, but as we both know, sometimes the inks don't clean off beautifully if your scrub is dirty or you haven't sprayed it enough or whatever. So at least this way you're not going to contaminate your lighter colour ink pads with dark ink. So we've got our butterflies. We're now going to die cut them with our butterfly matching framelit dies. We're going to use this die, which matches the stamp perfectly. So I just grab my big shot. Pop that onto my magnetic plate. Position the die, no problem at all. she says. It's because I'm trying not to get my head in the camera. I can't quite lean over, but it looks good enough for me. Run it through once and back. Move the die, pop it out. Move the die on the other colour butterfly. And lastly, on the pool party butterfly, I'm going to get that lined up, pop it through. I love that cracking noise. When I first did it, I was like, oh my god, I've broken my big shot. Oh, it's moved. So it's moved. It hasn't created a very good one, so I'm going to have to do another one very quickly. Let's grab another bit of card. I need to concentrate. I was too busy talking to you guys. Right, let's just do another one quickly. I need to clean that stamp first. Make sure. Oops. We're back on track. Sorry about that. Make sure you pop the die back in the little plastic envelope, otherwise it will fly away and you'll never find it again. Back in. I love having everything on hand. It's so different to how I used to do my videos in my old craft room. So I'm going to stick this down on the inside of my card. So I'm going to layer it on my black mat. Stick that on the inside of my card. So bright, that Hello Honey. Wow, that's going to wake someone up. Then I'm going to do the same with my stamped piece for the front. There we go. I'm not raising this up on dimensionals. How about I get it up the right way? Should we try that? Always helps. My son, growing up, always sent me a card that opened this way. Always. In fact, I was looking back at some old things in scrapbooks and things, and it made me chuckle. I used to say to him, "Opens the wrong way, Dom," and he'd be like, "Oh." I did wonder if he'd be left-handed or something, but he wasn't. Must be just what felt natural to him. So I'm starting with the lightest colour butterfly at the bottom. Don't have your wings going outside of the edge too much, because you'll notice that they'll, depending on how closely you've stamped them, they may want to touch wings. So there we go. And then if I do the blue one, so I'm only putting glue dots in the middle. You could, if you want to, if I show you with this one, grab a bone folder and bend the wings so they've got a nice little curve to the wing, if you wish. It's not too late to do it once it's stuck down on the page, to be honest, but it is easier to do it before you stick them down. Okay, and then you're going to go to your candy dots and find a colour candy dot that works on the middle of your butterflies. So what should we do? I've got 3 yellow ones. Let's do yellow. I need to find one more yellow though, because I really like to put one on the middle. So let's see if I've got an odd one. They get everywhere, these little things, like they do when I do it. Quite like this way of storing them, but it's just a bit of a pickle. That's because I've got too many. I only want one yellow one. Is that too much to ask? Please don't make me open a whole new packet just to get one yellow. Oh, what's that colour? Well, hey, where's that gone even? Crikey. No, is that yellow? No, that's green. There's some reds. Okay, so perhaps I'm going to leave the one on the inside without a candy jar. I'm sorry, butterfly. But to be fair, I didn't put one in the middle of that one either. So that's your card complete. So I really hope you enjoyed making that card. I'm going to go away and sort my candy dots out now. So thanks for watching. Bye.